Hello. Hi everyone. I welcome you all for this wonderful video lecture series on communication engineering. Today we'll start Unit 4. Unit 4 is Information Theory and Coding. Myself, Shankar, I'm working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, RMD Engineering College, Chennai. Let us see what is information theory. Information is the source of a communication system, whether it is analog or digital. Information theory is a mathematical approach to study to study of coding of information analog with the quantification, storage, and communication of information. So what we conclude here is, so generally, information is the source of communication where it is from, right? So it may be analog or digital form. Then the information theory is a mathematical approach to the study of information analog with the quantification, storage, and communication information, right? So next we'll see about source code. This is the block diagram for source encoder. Sources are generated like a symbols, and there is a source coder. The source coder is removes the redundancy from the source, and also we have a channel encoder. The channel encoder is actually add the redundancy to get the original symbols, because in the source actually we have symbols with the redundancy. With the help of source coder, actually we are removing the redundancy. At last, we are adding the redundancy to get the original symbols. So this is the block diagram for source encoder. Next, we'll see what is source code, right? So whatever it may be, as a computing technology, we know very well, source code is any collection of code. Possibly, the source code may have comments, and the source code is written in the form of human readable programming language. Usually, the programming language is written in the plain text, like English-like structures. The source code is often transformed by an assembler or compiler into binary machine codes that can be executed by the computer. Next, let us see what is source coding theory. Source coding is a mapping from symbols from an information source to a sequence of alphabet symbols such that the source symbols can be exactly removed from the binary bits, or it's recovered within some distortion. It is called lossy source coding. Next, it requires two requirements. The first one is the code words produced by the encoders are in the form of binary, and the source code is uniquely decodable so that the original source sequence can be reconstructed perfectly from the encoded binary sequence. Let us see what is entropy. The entropy is actually used to measure of uncertainty. In information theory, the entropy of a random variable is the average level of information, surprise, or uncertainty inherent in the variable possible outcomes. The entropy is denoted that h of x is equal to sigma I varies from 0 to n minus 1 pk log 2 log base 2 1 by pk. Right? Thank you. Thank you all for watching this lecture series.